Nari McDiarmid with you, and it's great to be speaking again with Dr. Jason Berton, Managing Director of PolarX. And Jason, we're speaking ahead of MiningNews Select in Sydney. What opportunity does PolarX present to investors?
PolarX is probably in a bit of a select category with junior explorers because we've got two highly prospective projects in Nevada and Alaska in the US, both tier one mining jurisdictions. We're having great success with both projects. We've got a joint venture with Northern Star in Alaska. And our Nevada project, which we own 100%, we cover gold and silver, and we've got copper and gold and silver in Alaska. So they're all commodities that are running hot. Now, we think we're on a discovery journey in Nevada after the release of this morning's assay results for the Humboldt project, and it really couldn't be situated in a better location. It's within an active and expanding mining area. So Florida Canyon, just on our western border, recently expanded output, and then Solitis Resources has secured funding to develop the Spring Valley project, which is just to the south of us. So it's giving it a very credible short time frame sort of production pathway in perhaps it is the biggest gold producing state in the US. So I think there's a lot of reasons for investors to turn their attention to PolarX now.
Well, if we stay with Nevada, Jason, and the assay results you just mentioned, what's the significance of these?
Okay, well, Nari, we've hit some high grade golds over significant widths, as well as several wider intervals, like up to 30 meters of very good grades, above 1 gram. Now, the significance of this is best viewed, I think, in the context of what our neighbors are actually mining, because we're exploring to mine, right? And we want to develop this asset. Now, the neighbors are engaging in bulk scale mining, and it utilizes cost-effective heap leach processing, which is an approach that facilitates large mine production rates from ore bodies with very low cut-off grades. So for us to continue to find gold intervals like we have, it's going to create a lot of asset value in the Humboldt Range.
Well, you did also mention your joint venture in Alaska with Northern Star Resources, but obviously you've just got these results from Humboldt Range. What's your focus in the coming months, Jason?
Well, our focus in the near term is to get all of our drill results out into the market. That includes what we drilled last year in the Alaska Range as well at Caribou Dome. And we're also preparing our upcoming drill season in Alaska. We're currently advancing through our winter core logging program. I was just up in Alaska myself going through that with the team. They're making great progress in our warehouse in Wasilla. We're planning the holes and we'll be ready for the rig when it starts up in early June. So we'll be attacking that. But at the same time, we've got enough personnel-wise to cover resumption of drilling in Nevada too. So I'm trying to get that up and running in mid-April.
Bigger picture, Jason, what does success look like for PolarX?
Well, that's a great question, Nari, and I've thought a bit about that one. Look, we're very well positioned in Alaska and Nevada. Alaska's got great support with the JV deal out of Northern Star. PolarX has got great support at a corporate level as well, with Northern Star then being our biggest shareholder. They're not going to be disappointed in what we're doing in Nevada as well as what we're doing in Alaska. We've got the opportunity now to accelerate exploration on both projects. So, as a bigger picture, yeah, I don't like using superlatives, but for me, I think that it's a huge picture. We're finally in that position that we've been working towards for a number of years now to really unlock the value that our shareholders have seen that exists in this company. So, we've got the market in the position where it can back it too, right? So you've got all the right commodities running hot right now. So gold, copper, silver. We're in the best jurisdictions that you can be. The US government is on a big push to develop these sort of assets in the US. So for me, the big picture, I don't see much in the way of limitations on it. Like if we have exploration success, then I see that picture just getting bigger.
Jason, as always, it is great to speak with you. Thank you. And I look forward to seeing you in Sydney.
Likewise, Nari. See you in Sydney. Thanks for the interview.